Welcome back, guys. So I got a camera person, very short, hot Filipino chick. Sorry, can't see that, but anyways, we're doing these condenser lights. So we got one done. This is the dash 6 that'll come from the bottom of the condenser over to the dry receiver, and then the 8 will come through that hole, the second hole, out. It'll come down. Well, I think what I'm gonna do is make it longer, so I want it to kick out here, come around, so it'll come around here, dip under that, and then come back out. I'm not sure yet. And then the 10 will do the same thing. It'll come up and run around to the bulkhead over here. So that I have to do 2 service ports that'll be somewhere over here. I want it here for the 8 and here for the 10 or something, or here for the 8, here for the 10, or here for the 8, here for the 10, because I want to keep this area empty for the turbo. So yeah, that's basically it, man. I gotta get back to it. So that's an inline service port instead of using the one that comes directly off the compressor, which looks like crap and will be hella close to my turbo stuff. I'm gonna put this in line somewhere, I don't know where yet. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then these are just hood props because I didn't have any, and those are dope. So yeah, all right, back to it. Well, as you can see, that didn't work. I bought 2 of those 90s, but it hits the block. I can't tighten it in. I should have thought about that, but I was too lazy to actually get down there and look from underneath. So yeah, that's what I get. I'm gonna run a straight fitting and then a 90-degree hose in, and that'll work fine. So, but I don't have that. It's like a 1/2 inch or 3/4 or whatever the hell it is to dash 10. So I just gotta order that, which doesn't matter because, I mean, that's what happens when you're messing with dash, A and shit. All right, an hour later, those fittings are on. I couldn't get the angle I needed. It just took forever. Now I'm gonna run these lines. So I'm gonna come out, it'll shoot over, come around, all the way out, and then in. So let me measure up what I need and just get to cutting it. Back to it. Alright, so this is going to be a multi-part video because it's hella work to do this vintage air. So it's not going to be like a one-day thing for me. I'm going to take hella days to do it. So what we have done so far, just to recap you guys, so the dash 6 is done, fully done, crimped, it's in where it needs to go. We've got the bulkheads through. Those are just fittings that came with the vintage air kit that go in that old, because it doesn't come with the bulkhead, it comes with a little plastic like diamond shaped cover, which is way easier to do than this bulkhead, which is what you should do. I'm gonna be changing all this stuff so much, I didn't want to have to go in the car to mess with anything. Now I can just break the lines here if I have to. So yeah, so heater hoses are done. You see here, they just come up. They're gonna be up more. They'll be up here. This will be like so. So it'll come down. Boom, it goes in. These are fully done. Then all these lines are going to be mounted together. There'll be one more line, the dash 10, that'll come from here. That's what I'll do next. So started on the wiring a little bit. I'm going to do a full video just on the wiring, because I know car guys and wiring, we hate wiring. I don't know why, but yeah, so just started on it. Yeah, that's basically it. So you know, thanks for the support. Like, comment, subscribe. It gives me the energy to keep pushing this stuff out, man, and share the knowledge. So I got some, they're in the video. You'll see a shirt my lady had made. We haven't posted them up yet, just because I don't know how I'm gonna sell them. I don't know if I want to buy a bunch and then sell them out like that, or make a web page, or use like Spotify or Shopify or whatever the hell it's called. So that's coming. Let me know if you're interested, and then I'll get on it even faster, because right now I only got like 6 people that really want merch. So we're still a baby channel. So yeah, again, like, comment, subscribe. Wish you and the family the best, man. Hope you guys are healthy and sane in this crazy time we're living in. So yeah, back to it. Okay, so we're gonna run the dash 10 and dash 8 from the compressor. So one goes to the condenser right there at the top, the little plastic fitting. It'll go through that top bulkhead. So it'll go down, and then boom, and then 10 will come out around, see, to the bulkhead. So yeah, I gotta do those. I think I'm probably gonna do the 8 first. So yep, back to it. Oh, and I have to put service ports in here somewhere. I'm probably gonna put them right here and right there, not sure yet. So alright, back to it. So here's the bulkhead. So these are going to be my heater hoses, which I need to buy a little adapter in there, but I'll go over that when I get it. The dash 10, the dash 8, or sorry, dash 6, dash 8. Dash 6 comes around, boom, goes into the condenser, the dryer. It comes out of the dryer, goes through the bulkhead, and it'll come into that fitting right there. That goes in there, the little plastic fitting. Then we have the dash 10. So dash 10 will come out the bulkhead down. It'll have a service port, and then boom, into the whatever that is, diaphragm, adapter, whatever. And then the dash 8 is going to come off here, have another one of those service ports over here, and then go into the top of the condenser. So yeah, I gotta crimp these lines, so I gotta crimp that, and then I gotta cut that and put a service port in there. So back to it. Alright, so this one gave me hell. I had to wallow out this hole. It's too close. So the grommet still fits in there cool, it'll block it off. But yeah, it sucked. So that fitting was too close to the firewall to make that bend. So I had to just make it closer. Alright, so lines are ran, the 8, the 10, both service ports. Got them zip tied up just to hold them in place, just to kind of get a memory going where they want to be. So that's basically it, man. This isn't the final thing. Like you see, these are twisted. I can switch these around because it doesn't matter which port is which. It matters inside which one's which. So yeah, that's basically it, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to it. Thanks for the support. like, subscribe, share. You already know what to do. Hope you guys are well. Back to it.